Research presents that the majority of blind or low vision individuals have frustrations due to a sense of separation. A physical impairment isolates an individual, but this isolation is amplified when buildings do not have enough accessibility tools to help a person easily navigate without additional help.
This is Raleigh, this way for Raleigh.
In order to make Raleigh Union Station a more accessible space, it is necessary to consider the visual impairments that passengers may have. Our goal is to improve the station's wayfinding experience for visually impaired people, while also enhancing it for sighted people. While at the station, we witnessed a group of blind men struggling to open the door to the station and later to find the bathroom. These experiences can be incredibly frustrating and intimidating. Therefore, when designing a wayfinding system for Raleigh Union Station, two of the main things we wanted to focus on was creating a space that allows integration and independence for people who are visually impaired. When we travel through a space, we rely on navigational signs that tell us which direction we need to go to reach our specific location. But imagine attempting to find a specific location when you can't see the navigational signs. A person who is blind or has low vision has no sense of direction when navigating a space. They rely on touch, sound, or smell to navigate a space, while most people rely solely on their sight. To improve the train station, we designed 400mm or roughly 15-inch guidance squares at major intersections throughout the waiting area that inform individuals with low vision how to reach three of the main features of the train station: food, bathrooms, and check-in. As a person walks through the space, they will come across a group of guidance paths. Each path has a different texture and color that represents a different feature of the train station. Blue triangles represent bathrooms, red waves represent food, and orange squares represent check-in. A blind person solely relies on the textures to navigate, but a low vision person relies on the bright colors in addition to the textures. There is type on the ground that displays which location the textures and colors represent, along with an arrow pointing in the corresponding direction. Leading up to each textural guidance path, there is a vertical stripes guidance path, a system already in place, that signifies a safe path for blind and low vision people. The vertical stripes will indicate which direction the blind or low vision individual will go to reach the location that the textured square represents. Along with our guidance paths, we have placed 5 texture maps in and around the station. These maps have a 3D textural layout of the train station that both sighted and non-sighted people can use. The map is at an angle for low vision people to easily run their hand across to learn about the space. Walls and rooms are raised, and there are different raised symbols throughout the map that symbolize where the other maps are located. The guidance paths are also represented on the map, so individuals know the locations in the space. 2 maps are placed outside of the 2 main entrances. One map is located in the main entrance in the waiting area. Another is located by the tunnel that leads to the train platform, and the last map is located at the top of the stairs by the secondary entrance. Both outside maps will have vertical guidance paths leading people directly to the map. The physical maps will be on a neoprene rubber floor so blind or low vision people can recognize the change in floor texture and know when they've reached a map. The 3 different textured squares will be placed under each map to educate people about the meanings of the 3 different guidance paths. When someone places their foot on one of those textures, audio will tell them what that texture represents.
Traveling on train 92. At this time, all passengers please proceed to the ground level doors.
Sighted people, blind people, and low vision people can use this navigational system, making it a fully integrated and effective system at the train station.